Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in like a day or two. I keep forgetting. So anyway, today I'm gonna be back. I'm back with you guys with the Orcust deck. So I've been working out how to make this deck work on the off chance that Mermaid does get banned, and I have discovered something. This card is absolutely amazing, and yes, I know it's a one of sorta. You have other cards that do the same thing, and the combo is essentially the same. So you can almost summon Armageddon Knight or or whatever. And okay, so you summon him, or you can summon Visionary Fion, Dark Grappa, or you can summon Connector. Do the same thing. Connector, you would summon Dolphin, but the rest you dump Malicious to deal. Okay, actually, you don't even need to do that, huh? But I know some people are playing it where you just dump him, but I like having the ice hold on board. So anyway, you dump Malicious to I just think this is better than just dumping that. Special Malicious, because it's a little bit of extra effective. So you link uh, 2 into ISO. It's gotta be dumb. ISO's effect, you search for like the other card that you didn't use, so I would search for Dark Pepper. It doesn't really matter. You use ISO's excuse me. ISO's effect. You send 1, 2, those, it really doesn't matter which ones you send, but kinda does, so 4, I suppose. Special summon him. This goes back to the top of my deck. Link 2. You link 2 into her. You banish this. And summon this guy from the deck. Yay. Okay. So, from here, use her effect. Shuffle back the Orcust Hot Pour. And then you set the trap. It's a trap! Ironically, coming from a guy who's named Jinzo. Um, anyway, you set the trap. You could, if you have it already, then you search for the field spell. But I just think searching for the trap is a lot better. Okay, so from here, you just do the normal thing. You link and to him. You banish him. Special her. Overlay in. It doesn't matter where you put her. I just like putting her here because that's where it's at 1 point sooner. Move it later on. And this is your ending board. It doesn't look all that threatening, but that's a lot of protection with this. Plus, you play some hand traps, so I'm working to making it better. But that's just what I got so far. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, and anything, comments below. I'll catch you guys later. The Jinzo, like now.